Sorry about that. Okay, thanks for letting me know. Alright, so we got GBP news now at 8. Looking at the daily here, we closed below support. We do have range to still move down to, let's say, 163, 300, 400. Alright. Thanks, Ian. Alright, so looking here on a 4 hour, looks like we formed support. Let's see. Cleanest trades here. Break below 164. You got really clean traffic to the left. We should have no problems with sells below 164. Alright, here's the news. So things might move a little bit quickly, but I'm waiting for London Open anyway. Alright, we've got resistance right here. Never really closed above this resistance. We actually closed right at that resistance. We've got support right here on the 30 minute. And this range doesn't look too bad. Let's see. 24 pips, we'll see about that. Alright, so for now I've got sells below 164.260 and then sells below 164.020. Suppose I'll have to look at how the news came out as well. Obviously, if it's good numbers for the pound, we could see us move up here. Yeah, pretty bad numbers for the pound here as well. So that definitely supports the idea of sells today. What's up, Jared? I haven't done gold just yet. Just doing a quick breakdown on GJ because we've got news now. But that's pretty much it here on GJ. And sells below 164.020. Alright, looking at gold. Man, yesterday played out really nicely. So we ranged the whole morning. Said to wait for a pullback into 1693, that kind of level. We never quite tapped into that area, but you can see how we were pushing up here and reacting. There was also news at 2:30. We had that spike up, push back down, and the price came back up one last time to give you guys a chance. That's actually where I got involved right there. Crazy, 200 pips. So let's remove all of this. Targets were 166,650, and then after that I'm looking at 16445. So we tap perfectly into that 1665 level, and then next targets are to fill this range right here to the left. You can see we've broken below that 1665 level, and looks like we have formed resistance right there. And we've got support right here at 1661. So break below 1661, and we should see some really nice sells here today. Not looking for buys. Absolutely no buys. What's up, David? Jay Smith, I haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back. You guys like that? No, I'm kidding. Four-hour essentially. Okay, Nico, I'll join now. Four-hour essentially closed below support right here. I'm thinking a break of the previous 4-hour low is going to bring quite a lot of volume. Using current candle stops, current 4-hour candle stops, previous hourly. That leaves us with a 35 pip stop, which is really not too bad. Really, really decent. So we've got a very tight range here. Normally when you see such a tight range, you know, when we break out, you see a lot of volume. Based off the 4-hour, this looks pretty good for entries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a sell stop in on the break of the previous 4-hour low. How's it? How are you doing? Pretty good. Are we fighting?
No, no fighting. Why are we fighting?
No.
Okay.
Just checking.
I thought you under the PK, bro. Pack cookies. Pack
what?
cookies. A pack cookies, a packet of biscuits.
Pack
But in
cookies. Oh fuck. Let's see. Morning Moto. Hey man, just working for a property development in London. That's great, Jay Smith. I'm gonna come that side and buy a property there from you. Playing this breakout, yeah, I will be. Are you not looking at gold bars? No, not interested in gold bars right now. On the daily at this point, there's clean traffic into 1645. And we finally, I think, got some real clearance below this 1700 support area. Alright, look at this whole area that we've just been trading above for a good few months now. We finally closed below this area here on a daily candle. So you should see some really nice volume today. of course, with such an impulsive move down, and you know, we've been having these pretty big moves down and no real correction, so we could potentially see some pullback, maybe a retest of that 1700 area. But I believe a break below the previous 4-hour low, and we'll just see price continue to move down, potentially filling this range all the way down to 1645.
Today or like going into next week too?
Yeah, hopefully today.
Yeah.
Let's have a look here. I mean, looking in the past, price moves pretty quickly in this area. I mean, look at this 4-hour candle. Basically filled the whole range. So annoying scrolling so far back. But I think we're gonna have to do it quite a lot now in cold as we move below 1700, because all the price action is quite a few months behind. Scroll. It's unbalanced. Yeah, no, guys have mentioned that in the chat before. You know what? I'm not even gonna think about it. I don't take into account in my plan imbalances and that, and I found it to work just fine. So I'm not gonna confuse myself. But if you truly believe that we need to see a pullback, which looks good, you know, then simply just wait for that, wait for resistance to form, and yeah, I mean, you should have some beautiful trade opportunities. Nah man, David, don't remove your comment. It's there. It is what it is. You gave your input and that's fine. I'm not saying it's wrong, nothing like that. Just personally, you know, I've never looked at it before. It's not something I'm going to start to look at now.
Morning, brother. How are you?
What's up, Jared? Good and you?
Always good, thanks.
How about GJ? Yeah, for me, there was no real entry opportunity here on GJ, but we look good to move down. So right now, we've just about filled this range right here. So no trades in this range for me. I'll wait for a closure below 164.020.
Oh shit, yes, Jared, bro. Okay, I'm leaving.
Yo, that's rough, eh?
Me too. Cheers, chat.
Wow. Thanks for the stream, guys. Jared
Amazing.
is now gonna take over. Yo, he actually left, eh?
What?
He actually left, eh?
Now he'll come back.
I don't think we want him back, eh? I'm raving.
Right. Gold's been moving crazy, eh, Jared?
Oh no, yo, this week with Souls has been ridiculous, eh? I didn't expect it to drop all the way down to like 1660, eh?
From the highs, we have dropped 700 pips.
Shoo.
Fucking hell.
Oh no, yo. If you were a bull this week, eh, you definitely got slaughtered.
She's like demolished.
Dude. I think it honestly has room for downside towards 1500, eh? With the way it's dropping now.
Yeah. The thing is, we've cleared this support area at 1700 now. So there's nothing really stopping price from moving down. 1500, yeah, I'd say 1500 is incoming.
I wouldn't say today or anything.
No,
I
not
mean,
today.
In the near future, yeah.
Couple weeks, next month or two.
I mean, that's all clean traffic to the left there.
Yeah. Yeah, yesterday I took sales on gold. Once I saw us holding below 1690, let's say. Below that support area that we've been struggling at for so long. And the fact that we weren't seeing any real rejections from that area either. You know, once we broke, it was just tickets.
Yeah. Yes, I saw you caught some lucky souls yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, it was nice. I closed most of my position at 100 pips, and then I left a runner because my target was 1665, and I just left a one lot runner. And then I came back after posting it on the Discord, and it had dropped like another 100 pips.
Is this New York session that you took it? Obviously.
It was very late in the day. It was same time as the move yesterday. Because what I saw was yesterday we had a very clean move from like 5. You know, we consolidated the whole day, and then we only started to move down at 5. So I saw it starting to set up like around 4. I thought, okay, this is it. And yeah.
She snowed it. This is honestly up there with that flash crash that happened a year or so ago. The way it's just moved down, especially on the high time frames.
Yeah, we've had like 200 pip drops this week.
Ciao.
CPR yesterday. Also this move was also like 200 pips. Yes.
Yes.
More. GJ going down, nicely waiting for retest with resistance. Let's go and have a look. Just gonna wait for closure below support here. I'd feel best waiting for London Open on GJ. It looks good. The setup is here. The timing is just a bit funky. Yes, it's Dev.
I really want to go party with Steph. I'm not gonna cap, bro.
Yeah, same. I wouldn't mind going to his gym either.
I don't know about the first part with the sea, but
Yeah,
the
nah.
rest is fucking fun. We can have some other treats, Steph. Not that one. Yes.
It's wild. Yeah, you
Boats and
Scottish Oaks. Boats and hoes, man. Do they have boats in Scotland?
on the lakes, probably.
Yeah, Loch Ness monster.
I just fucking knew you were gonna say it, bro.
What do you mean? Steph's boat's probably called Loch Ness monster.
But you mean Steph got hunted, bro? On the weekend, him and his mates, well, him and his hoes go and hunt it.
Yeah.
He's probably doing squats while fucking reeling it in. What do you mean?
While doing a line.
Hey, Steph. I'm all night, bro. That's all he is. Knocked it down to one round.
All good.
No wonder no one can find this fucking thing, bro. It's hanging above this guy's sitting room area, bro. It's mounted on the
Yeah,
wall.
it's got its head there mounted.
I don't think Steph can be claimed as an animal, bro. He's a it or something.
He's a it.
Not a human, not an animal. It's just a
Yeah.
it.
Not even a human, not even an animal, but it.
Did you hear how that man wakes up, my guy? Friday morning, cocaine, squats, bicep pumps, winning trades, and vodka shots into the eyeball.
Jeez, dude.
Jesus, fuck, my man.
We've got an old Steve here.
You must know the first person I see, whether it be my mother or my father, someone's getting headbutted after the morning, waking up like that. Yes.
He's like,
What do you mean, Connor? Can you imagine that shit, bro?
nah, I can't. Actually,
Exactly. The way it sounds, I also can't imagine it, bro. That's what I'm saying. The way it sounds is intense.
Wolf of Wall Street
Oh.
type of vibe.
Loch Ness of Scotland.
Maybe
Is what he is.
this is the trick behind trading, bro. Maybe we must follow Steph's example.
You ex-know Steph, or is you just met him through the streams and stuff?
Nah, he's from Scotland. I made him through the stream.
Oh.
Yeah.
Comes in here talking about boats and hoes.
Where is Shaker actually?
Shaker pops in once in a while.
Jared, Steph is the guy that can deadlift 240, bro.
Jeez.
This is the guy you sent the video to in the chat, remember? This was the whole thing
Yes.
in the deadlifting, yeah.
Yes, I remember that.
Here comes gold. Hourly pushed up, created a steeper top wick, and we flipped once again. Pushing now. Pushing.
If 30 can close with a bearish candle, I'll be happy. But like a bigger body, not a fucking tiny body.
It's 5 minutes.
Ooh, 5 minutes is looking nice.
Yeah, that's true.
Longest 20 seconds of our life about that. Yo, bro, if you're in a trade, there's really nothing longer than a minute just before our closure. There's honestly nothing longer than that minute. Especially if you're in a trade. Yo,
Yeah, that's true. Flip.
I'm gonna got no top week.
Okay, so stops above the previous hourly. If we close us and perish on this candle, we might see some volume. Got my stops at 1664.80.
1664.80. Once if sell stops get triggered, bro, and it starts running, once it gets past that big wick to the left, dude, gold's gonna be gone.
What, once it breaks this wick?
The big wick to the left, yeah. Oh, sorry, the stream delayed when you speak on Discord, so I don't see you move the crosshair.
Oh,
Fuck. I forget.
So would that be your break-even point, Con?
That's what literally I'm thinking about now too, bro.
nah, to be honest,
Is it
How
too
big is
close?
it's too, for me, it's too small of a break-even point.
It's about 14 pips.
Nah, not from my entry.
Wait, where's your entry? Let me just one.
I got sell stops at 1661 300.
I'm gonna be honest. I don't think we should look for a break-even point. I think we should
Yeah.
decide how many pips we want to take from it, and then that's when we go BE.
Yeah, I'm not in a rush to go break even. Yeah.
I mean, if it breaks those levels, obviously not. But I mean, if it's like 25 pips down and just going, obviously we're gonna move to BE type shit, you know.
Yeah.
I would say Chinese Steph, bro. Not a big ass cheese pizza. Chinese.
Yeah, Chinese is like a healthy option. I find healthier option because you know you got chicken and rice
He's-
basically.
He's saying cheat day, hey?
Yeah, but still, it's a healthy option. Chicken chow mein, beef chow mein. You know, still got your meat.
Go get yourself that. What was that bar thing? That chocolate bar thing you showed us?
Or that
That
grenade.
sporting grenade. Get yourself some Chinese and 2 grenades, bro. The chocolate grenade, because I don't know a Steph dog. Yo.
Those things are crazy expensive though. Those chocolate bar, those
Chicken
grenade
black.
ones. Like 40 rand.
Is it?
Oh, dude, yo.
Fried rice.
Just for a chocolate bar, it's like what?
Just a chocolate bar.
But they're good though, yo.
I think we're about to get triggered in here.
Yep. Let's go.
Okay, I'll tell you where my break-even point is. 1657 160. Okay, we in.
Yeah, you must be in, bro. I mean, it's at the wick of that
Move.
on the left.
Here we go. We need to break that wick.
Yeah, bro, we need to break that wick for real, for real.
That was a quick push though.
It was a quick push, but 30's gonna close down here, dude. So that's nice.
Oh, yeah, that's true. 30 hasn't even closed, and we're about to close below support.
Yeah. So it's a nice body closure, but we need to break that wick, dude. Longest 10 seconds ever, bro. Fuck my life. Okay. Well, I mean, Looks like we're about to break it. What is that range there? Fuck, I don't like how half an hour push before it closed, bro. Down.
Why not? It's still close with the
I just-
wick.
I know, I just hate when a candle does that at the end of its closure, bro.
Right. Well, we've closed below support.
What are we, like 3-4 pips away from closing underneath that wick? Or getting under the wick?
Yeah. 2 pips. Broken previous candle lows, and let's see.
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm up 12 pips at the moment.
I mean, BE is probably a thing now, Connor. Wait, where's your entry?
I want to go
it's
break
not a-
even at
Oh, no.
1657, 160.
I see that now, bro. Sorry.
Basically a 1-2-1. Let's see. 37.
And Con, ideas if this candle comes and flips back bullish?
Jared, I don't need that kind of negativity, bro.
I'm just asking with your risk management.
The thing is, this 30-minute can very, very likely come up and create a steeper top wick. Let's see, I'll rather wait to see like a bullish candle closure or something. If a 15-minute candle closes bullish, back above 1661, at that point I'll start to manage risk.
Oh yeah.
GJ closed above support, nothing to do here. Targets for me, 1645, 600. I'll secure partials at that break-even point. I mean, it is nearly 40 pips.
Jeez, Con, 3 things in life are guaranteed. Death, taxes, and the chat gets quiet when we in a trade.
Jeez, tell me about it. Even Steph stopped for a second.
Maybe he started his morning routine, so that's why he's a bit quiet.
Must have. Okay, he's like, okay, winning trade, check. On to the next one.
Winning trade check.
Mad. That wick right there to the left was also yesterday's low. So based off the daily, I mean the daily candle looks solid to just continue moving down, yeah. as discussed, the way I'll manage risk here is if we do get a bullish candle close, I'll look at closing off. Other than that, we're just letting it run to 16.57.500, where I'll secure half and go break even.
Connor,
Yeah.
take me off stream quick.
Kunjani Justin.
He left out the punani.
Put some respect on the name.
Okay.
US
The
session
US session-
open, how many hours from now? It's at, opens at 2. US open is at 2 for us, 8 AM Eastern time.
Anyway, Con, I'm gonna be off, bro. I'm gonna have load shedding now at 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna switch all my shit off.
No
Put my
problem.
phone charger for gym.
Sure.
Thank you for the shot for the trade, ending my week off
Like a-
nicely. Oh, Connor, I want to have a chat with you, privately in person sometime about someone. So, another guy. Just remind me of that, okay?
Cool.
If you remember. If I remember, I'll remind you. If you remember, just remind me, please, okay?
Okay, cool. Cheers.
Sweet, dude. I'll check you. Just tell Jared I say bye. I don't think he's here.
Okay,
And then,
cool.
yeah.
Cheers.
So, short chat. Enjoy Connor's trade. I'm sure I'll see her. She's a runner. She's a track star.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Alright.
Enjoy.
Cheers.
Sweet.
A little bit up and down, up and down. Obviously, you want to see a push, but you know, everything is still looking pretty good right now. As long as we are staying below the support, we look good to continue moving down. Does price action stay price action no matter what time frame you're on? Yes, definitely. You'll see the same things happen on a bigger time frame as you will on a lower time frame. Obviously, just a lower time frame, we see certain things happen a lot more frequently. And the higher time frame will have better confirmations as well. We have London open in 15 minutes. Isn't the market slow on Fridays? Not necessarily. There are obviously days when the market moves more and times during the month where the market moves more as well. But the thing is, you can get big moves at any time of the day, any day of the week, any time of the month. So you can't really put it in a box, especially when you're trading, you know, the way I'm trading, where, you know, you just got to show up every day and chip away. And you'll get these bigger moves that show up from time to time, but you have to be there to get them. In investing, people say time in the markets beats timing the markets. Now obviously you could consider this timing the markets, but you got to show up every day to get these better opportunities, and that's your time in the markets. Look, you don't necessarily need to show up every day. You'll get to a point where you can see which days are actually going to present opportunity, and you can see some days price is just sitting in a range. Obviously, I'm showing up here every day so that, you know, just keep the channel going. And for the guys who want to join the community, you know, you guys are always welcome to show up and learn something new, ask questions. And, you know, most days we do get trades, but not every day is a massive trade. Some days it's 10 pips, some days it's 20 pips. How do you join the community? In the community. Also join the Discord, just so you can stay up to date. There's a community chat there. It's completely free. The link for the Discord is in the video description. I also send a weekly breakdown on the Discord. Obviously I'm locked into gold at the moment, but if GJ closes below this 164.020 level now at London Open, we should have some nice sells to fill this range here down to 163.480. Can I explain the trade that I'm in? Okay. So, let's go through this again. We've got a very strong support at 1700. This area right here. Okay, that we've been struggling to break below for a very long time. Now we've closed below the support here yesterday. Alright, and we've got clean traffic to the left. Looking on the weekly time frame here. Okay, daily is also clean. Looking to the left on the daily time frame here, you got clean range. Okay, clean candles to the left. So there's nothing really stopping price until 1645. Now there was a level at 1665, alright, on the 4-hour time frame, I think it was. There we go. On the 4-hour time frame, there's a level right here at 1665 to the left, which we reacted to yesterday. After this big drop, okay, we reacted to this 1665 level. You can see this first candle here, this big candle, as it tapped into that level. Okay, we had a bit of a reaction, and then price broke below that level and ranged. Now your 4-hour time frame, you could say that we formed resistance right at that level, and I also zoomed in here a little bit and said that we closed below support basically on the previous 4-hour. So the idea here was basically a break of the previous 4-hour lows to anticipate price to continue moving down. We've also broken yesterday's low And like I said, we've got clean traffic here, so it looks very good. Price is just sitting right now, but we have London open in 8 minutes, so that should bring us some volume. GJ doesn't look like it's going to wait for London open here. Guys, I'm gonna be right back. We've got 6 minutes until this candle close. In terms of managing risk, I'm going break even at 16.57. Other than that, I'll only be closing half or managing risk if we get a bullish candle closure here. So for now, I'm not doing anything until we get a candle close. So I'll be back in 2 minutes. So if it hits the BE point, you move stop loss to where you have entered. Yep. So once we tap into 16.57, I'll move my stop loss to 16.61.300 where we entered. GJ closes like this, there's potential entries here. Would be nice to see a steep top wick so you could get in on the flip here, and then you've got about 12 pips to fill the wick, and at that point you could go break even. Stops above previous 30. Right, London Open. Let's see. Yeah, hourly has closed below support here, and we've got a nice entry. Looks like we're gonna have a better week next week, not looking like ranges anymore. Yeah, sorry, that was a lower time frame there. Okay, GJ. I'm not gonna get involved here on GJ, but this looks good. Getting that top wick that I was talking about, so now once we flip, you'll be looking to fill this previous candle's wick. Got a nice top wick here on the new hourly candle. Once we come down and flip, we should see some volume. Are we waiting for a bearish 15 minute candle? You've already got a closure below support here, so once this current candle breaks its own low, you should be good for sells here. This is probably where I would have a sell stop right now on the break of that low. I just don't want to be in two trades at once, but that looks pretty good. Nice closure below support. Stops above the previous 30 minutes. So yeah, you should be in now. Not doing anything to manage risk just yet. We'll see how this 15-minute candle closes. If we can respect this support here at 1661, I'll be happy. It's a very nice top wick on the hourly. Obviously, right now, we're sitting in a bit of drawdown, so it doesn't look great. But like I say, let's see what happens here. There's also a level I'm looking at right here, 1662. So we had support at this level right here at Asian Open. We formed support right there, and then we came down, closed below. So this little move right here is like a fake out, and then we had support at 1662. So we've come back to retest that 1662 level. Just got to see how the 15-minute candle closes. Also here on a 5-minute, you can see us retesting this previous support. %70 bullish sentiment on gold. Where the hell are you looking? Looks pretty bearish to me. GJ is playing out nicely. I never got involved here. I'm sitting in the gold trade, but I'm sure some of you did. It's looking good. You broke the previous hourly and 30-minute lows. Should be break even by now. $15-minute closed here on gold. We closed respecting that 1662 level. 5 minutes bearish. I don't like how we're breaking the highs here. Right, so at this point, if we come back and break the current candle high, at that point I'll close half. So now we have some options to manage risk. You need to see the bigger picture here. Our hourly time frame basically doesn't have a bottom wick. Previous hourly closed below resistance here. Sorry, below support. Got clean traffic to the left. So we've come up to create a top wick. Your first 15 minutes of the hourly is bullish here. If we can close bearish on this next 15 minutes, you should see the next 30 minutes, the last 30 minutes of the hourly continue to move down. So if you look at it from this perspective, this first 15 minutes of the hourly candle is setting up for us to drive down. We've come up, grabbed liquidity, got a nice top wick on the hourly, and once we flip here, we should see some volume. Look at GJ. Alright, if you break this high, I'm going to close 50%. Would be ideal to see the 30-minute candle close below 1661. We've got about 7 minutes here, 8 minutes. Final TP on GJ 163,500. Did you get in, Wayne? Gold looking more bearish by the minute. I hope so. Looks good here on the lower time frames. Looks very good. Nice one, Wayne. Killed it. Yeah, well played closing half. We've come very close to targets here. But slowly pulling back up. You got a 30-minute candle closure soon. So you could see some retracement. Good call to close half. Good morning, Nathan. Welcome to the stream. I really like the look of the hourly candle flip. Thinking to add some more risk here. In with about 1% right now, but looks like a very good trade here. If this hourly candle can flip, you should just drive to 1657. We'll get to break even, secure half, and we can have some nice runners here. Alright, I'm gonna have a sell stop at 1660.045. Just adding a bit more risk here. Guys, just be aware. Obviously, if you're in a trade already, you know, don't just add risk like a monkey. You know, be calculated with it. This is basically a second trade here. You guys like that GJ trade, eh? What's up, Adolf? Long time no see. Your 30-minute candle is about to close. Looks like we're going to close below 1661, which is good. 15-minute closing nice and bearish. Your 30-minute being bullish looks a bit funky, but keep in mind the hourly is still open here, and your 15-minute is closing bearish. Thanks, Adolf. Appreciate it. Okay, nice closure on the 15. We've got a fake out basically now of 1661. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Once we flip bearish on the hourly and get involved in our second entry here, I'll move stops to above the current hourly candle. Gold is reversing right off that order block at 1662. This is the first time an SMC trader has actually agreed with our buys here, so hopefully it's going to be a good day. Normally I don't want to see you guys talking about order blocks, but fully focused, you're excused. Very close to getting triggered in, yeah. What I was looking for earlier was, sometimes I see guys who post their trading view, there's something here on the bottom right hand corner when you open your like watch list, and it'll give a sentiment. So it'll say like strong buy. Guys, if you're looking at this as your signals, no, you've got something else coming your way. The thing is, if you see something that says strong buy, it's looking very much at, okay, I'm about to get triggered in here with that second entry. It's looking very much at how oversold the price is, but that doesn't mean too much. We are very bearish here. There's clean range to the left. We should see price fill these ranges, regardless of if it's a strong buy or whatever RSI is saying. You know, looking at price action, we've got clean traffic to the left. We've closed below support, had a nice retest here. Looks good. I'm going to move stops to above the current hourly candle right now. Once we break the previous hourly low, I'm going to move stops to break even for the original position. Sentiment meter on GJ. Oh, here we go. Have a look. What is it telling you? It's saying buy on GJ. Are you mad? Yeah, it doesn't have it on gold. Bars. If you guys are still reading those meters, I'm going to assume that you're new to trading, and I'm going to give you one piece of advice. Learn to read price action. This little thingy-majig right here telling you to buy. It's going to take all your money. Every last cent. Looks like we're about to break the previous hourly lows. Should get a push once we do. Let's see, your 15-minute is also about to close shortly. As long as we close below this support here on a 15. As long as we close below support, I'll keep this second entry in. If we close on support or above, I'll close that second entry. Looks good to me. Okay, we've closed below support here on the 15. Based on the current movement on gold, I think there should be more likes though. I agree. Thanks, Jared, for that. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to leave a like on the stream. Really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. London session Monday to Friday. Channel is really close to 1,000 subs, so I'd really appreciate that sub. And I appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have learned something or are enjoying the stream. Also, don't forget to check out the Discord community. Link is in the video description. It seems like a lifetime we've been sitting right at this low. So I really want to see us break down here. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. As we break that low, here we see some volume. So we're just going to ride it out for a little bit. Thanks for putting in the time every day. Makes the market a bit easier and a lot better trading with the group. Yeah, well, thank you guys for joining every day. You know, I really enjoy this. And chat makes it a lot better. You guys are actually really positive. I see a lot of chats and other live streams giving a lot of hate. You guys have always been very accommodating. Okay, second entries. Okay, original entries are moving stops to break even. That's first thing. Okay, and I'm going to close my second entry right here as we move into this original break even level at about 20 pips. So we've still got a full position running here, our original entries, and we're going to let it run. Stops at break even. Thank you, Ian. Alrighty. Just going crazy today. Strong bars, eh? Strong bars. Jeez. Lots of volume here today. Even GJ's going crazy. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna secure half of my original entry. No. Wait. Let's wait for the hourly candle close. Excuse me. I don't want to get emotional here. It's a nice trade. Looks good. Looks like we should keep running. Already secured some profit and got stops at break even here. So let's give it a chance. 10 minutes for the hourly candle close. You know, we're not at any particular level really. We've got clean traffic to the left. So let's just let it rock for now. Where's your TP? 1645. 1645, 600. Everyone. Got the girlfriend W as well. That's when you know, chat. That's when you know. Any merit in having a trailing stop? I think as we get deeper into this trade, we could potentially make use of a trailing stop. So I don't keep a trailing stop necessarily at a particular amount of pips. I know some guys say 20 pips, whatever, but there we go. Jared, thank you. On the head. Follow structure with trailing stops. So what I'll be looking for is on this next 30-minute candle, once the next 30-minute candle has formed, so let me try and draw it out. That does not look like a candle. But let's just say that that's your candle. Alright. I'm gonna have my trailing stop above that candle as we continue to move down here. Dollar is super strong. Indeed, dollar is very, very strong, guys. And the way gold is looking, we should continue to see dollar strength. Okay, here's a good example of what I would do with a trailing stop. So on a 15-minute, potentially you could have your trailing stop above this current candle. Now that this candle has formed, okay, we've got a top wick, you could have your trailing stop above there. Now the thing is, a 15-minute, you know, doesn't mean too much. You're only saving yourself about 13 pips. I'd rather just give myself the chance to let this trade play out. Moving down like crazy here. I'm gonna close half of my original position right here. We're coming into the last couple minutes of the hourly, and we've just had a nice little push down. So I'm gonna close right here for about 60 pips. Spin the wheel again. See what it's what wheel? Are you talking about your wheel here? Your strong bar wheel. Check how this thing changes to a sell so quickly. Can't trust this thing. Where did you close off? I closed... Oh, okay. I had two entries here. So I closed the second entry in about 20 pips of profit. The original entries I've now closed 50% at 60 pips. Closed full on the lock, spike down because gold snaps back very fast. That's very true. That's why I also decided to close a little bit more of my position here. Just for that simple fact that we could see some retracement. But there's still a very high probability that price pushes down. So I've left some of my position open. And we'll see how it goes. In fact, I think what I'll do... I'll close another 25% right here. So I've closed 75% of my position. And just got a small runner now to let it do its thing. GBPJPY, I was wondering what that meant. Good game well played. Yeah, that's a gamer thing. I'm just hitting my 10 lot size run. Fuck it. Yeah, back you, J Smith. I'm gonna leave my 100 lots running as well. Look guys, there's really not too much more to do, alright. Got runners here. So this is the trade, and as always, I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord. So, you know, we should most probably see gold continue to push down for the rest of the day. Might take some time to get down to 1645. Maybe you'll only see that level next week. I'm not going to leave the trade running over the weekend. So like I said, I'll keep you guys up to date on Discord, how I am managing my position. For who was asking earlier on, I think it was Wayne. I'll keep you guys updated with trailing stops and so on and so on. So if you're not part of the Discord, consider joining. If you're in the trade, you know, just if you want to see how I'm managing my position. But anyway guys, it's a good trade. Very good day here. Nice end to the week. Can't even close half with a 0.01. You know, a 0.01 presents those challenges. So a 0.02 is not that much bigger. I would rather go with a 0.02 for the simple fact that you can then start to manage risk. Whether you are cutting losses short or you are securing profits and having a runner. Thank you guys. Much love. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Safe trading. If you took GJ souls or gold souls today, that's a really good day. Don't go and over risk. Don't go and over trade. Take it easy, guys. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you. Rack stacked up too tall.